Essex Street in Bangor in day 2 of the restoration. The storm arrived on Sunday into Monday, impacting over 90,000 customers in the Emera Maine territory. Our first priority was to address public safety issues with wires down. That took almost a full day, along with repairing the transmission system, which is the backbone for the distribution system, which we're repairing here on Essex Street right now. Today we'll have over 40 crews working in Bangor on a 24-hour basis. And to date, we've restored half the customers that were affected by the storm. And our goal is to restore 90% of the customers by the end of the day tomorrow, and mopping up the remainder of the customers by Saturday. That we'll have to adjust those targets, of course, as we continue to make progress and see how effective the restoration effort is going. But we do have a plan. It's working well so far, and we are pleased that there's been no public or employee safety issues so far on this restoration. We've been also working with local emergency measures and first responders to coordinate our effort, respond to areas of need and concern that they have identified to us, and trying to take that into consideration in our restoration plan.